Let me guess, you're getting traffic to your SaaS site, maybe even a lot of it, but your visitors are not converting into signups, demos, or customers. And you're wondering what's missing. Here's the truth. Your site might look great, your copy might be tight, but if people can't experience your product, they're far less likely to convert. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why that's happening and how interactive demos can help you double your conversion rate. And by the end, I'll walk you through how to create and add one on your site today in minutes without a single line of code. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the brutal truth. Most SaaS websites are still built like it's 2015. Static pages, screenshots, maybe a 5-minute video that, let's face it, no one will watch through fully. None of these methods actually let visitors try your product. And that's the problem. People land on your site, they scroll around, and they bounce because they still have no idea what your product actually does. They don't get the experience. Your marketing language falls flat on explaining the aha moment. And when that doesn't happen, they don't sign up. We spend so much time polishing headlines and tweaking CTAs when the answer is simple. Just let people try the thing and let the product do the talking. That's what they want and that's what sells. So what happens when you actually give people that experience? Let me walk you through 4 reasons interactive demos completely change the game. Reason number 1, it creates instant buy-in. When someone can click through your product, especially in a guided, concise version, they visually see how it works. They tactically see how it solves their problem. And that creates trust way faster than any headline or explainer video. Reason number 2, you deliver the aha moment up front. No one wants to sign up for a tool and spend hours trying to figure out if it's worth using. Interactive demos flip that. You show value first, then ask for the sign up. And that small change makes a massive difference. Reason number 3, one demo, many uses. The same demo you embed on your homepage can be reused in cold outreach, help docs, onboarding flows, or wherever you need it. It's not just a website feature, it's a full funnel asset. Reason number 4, you stand out immediately. Most of your competitors are still stuck in 2025 showing static videos or screenshots. But when you come in with a guided, hands-on experience, you instantly feel more premium, more thoughtful, and more product-led. And that edge matters, especially when buyers are comparing 5 tools in 10 minutes. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how does this actually work? Let's talk about some real numbers. Beehiiv added Supademo to their site and saw a 50% increase in paid conversions. They used interactive demos to qualified leads before they even signed up. That's not a small bump, that's a serious lift. Companies like Process Maker did something similar. They embedded demos right on their homepage and used Supademo to guide different personas through different features. The result? Thousands of unique viewers that converted to hundreds of demo requests and over 6 figures in revenue closed. More signups, lower acquisition cost, and a smoother user journey. This stuff works. All right, let me show you just how easy it is to create and embed an interactive demo that looks and feels like the real thing using Supademo's HTML-based demo recorder. Here's how it works. You start by launching the Supademo Chrome extension. This is where the magic happens. Instead of just recording a video or taking screenshots, Supademo actually clones the HTML and CSS of your product as you click through it. That means what you're building is a pixel-perfect interactive replica of your app, preserving every element, every animation, every hover state. It's the real deal, without the risks of exposing your live environment. So I'll open up the product here, walk through a typical flow, and Supademo captures it step by step. Every click is recorded, every interface is cloned. Now, after you're done recording, Supademo stitches it all together into a seamless demo experience. And here's the cool part. You can go in and edit anything inside the demo. You can blur out sensitive info, swap out names, tweak numbers, even personalize text right inside the HTML. Let's say you want to change a customer name, remove a chart, or inject a dynamic variable like a prospect's company name. You can do that in seconds, no code required. And when it's ready, you hit save and grab the embed code. Drop it into your website on the home page, the pricing page, blog post, wherever your traffic is landing. No engineering help, no image hosting, no broken source files. It loads instantly, it works beautifully, and it gives your visitors a way to click through your product like it's live. That's how you turn cold traffic into warm leads, by letting people try the product right on your site before they even sign up. All right, here's the bottom line. If people can't experience your product, they're not going to buy it. Interactive demos fix that, and Supademo is the easiest, fastest way to build and embed them anywhere on your site. You give people instant clarity, you shorten the time to value, you stand out, and you convert more of the traffic you're already getting. So if you want to try this yourself, click the first link in the description. You can build and embed your first interactive demo with Supademo for free, no credit card required. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more no BS growth strategies like this. And if you want to see how Supademo helps with onboarding too, check out this next video on screen. See you in the next one.